Ever felt like you need a financial wizard just to understand crypto exchange fees? Like you're navigating a maze of percentages, spreads, and hidden charges, and all you want to do is buy some Bitcoin without getting nickel and dimed? If you've ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering why your $100 crypto purchase suddenly became $97 worth of crypto, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial, yet often overlooked, aspects of cryptocurrency investing, especially for beginners, the dreaded, the confusing, the utterly vital world of exchange fees. And we're not just talking about fees in general, we're putting three of the biggest names in the crypto space under the microscope: Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken. These are three of the most popular platforms for anyone looking to step into the crypto world, known for their user-friendliness, security, and range of services. But how do they stack up when it comes to the cost of doing business? That's what we're here to find out. For beginners, understanding these fees isn't just about saving a few bucks here and there. It's about maximizing your investment, avoiding nasty surprises, and ultimately, making smart financial decisions as you build your crypto portfolio. Imagine consistently losing 2 to 3% on every single transaction. Over time, that adds up to a significant chunk of your potential profits. So, by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture of each platform's fee structure, enabling you to choose the exchange that best fits your trading style and financial goals. We'll break down everything from deposit and withdrawal fees to trading fees, the notorious maker-taker model, and even those less obvious costs like spreads. We'll also talk about how different payment methods can impact your total cost, and crucially, how your trading volume can unlock lower fees on some platforms. So, grab a notepad, settle in, and let's demystify crypto fees together. Let's start with Coinbase. Coinbase is often lauded as the go-to exchange for beginners, and for good reason. Its interface is incredibly intuitive, making the process of buying and selling crypto feel almost as simple as ordering something online. But this simplicity often comes at a price. Coinbase operates with a tiered fee structure that can initially seem a bit opaque. For basic transactions, think buying crypto directly with fiat currency like USD or Euro. Coinbase charges a spread, which is essentially the difference between the buy and sell price, plus a Coinbase fee. The spread typically hovers around 0.50% to 2.00% depending on market conditions and the asset. On top of that, you'll encounter a separate transaction fee based on the amount you're trading and your payment method. For smaller transactions, say under $200, Coinbase uses a fixed fee schedule. For example, buying $10 to $25 worth of crypto might incur a fee of $1.49, while a $50 to $200 transaction could cost you $2.99. These fixed fees can feel quite steep on smaller amounts, as they represent a larger percentage of your overall trade. Now, here's where payment methods come in. If you use a linked U.S. bank account, ACH transfer, the transaction fee is typically around 1.49%. However, if you opt for a debit card for instant purchases, that fee jumps significantly, often to 3.99%. And if you're using PayPal for withdrawals, expect to see a 3.75% transaction fee. Wire transfers for deposits can cost $10, and outgoing wire transfers can be $25. These seemingly small percentages can quickly eat into your capital, especially if you're making frequent, smaller trades with less efficient payment methods. However, Coinbase also offers Coinbase Advanced, formerly Coinbase Pro, which is designed for more experienced traders and comes with a much more competitive fee structure. On Coinbase Advanced, they use a maker-taker model, which means fees are determined by whether your order adds liquidity to the market, maker, or removes it, taker. Maker fees can range from 0.00% to 0.40%, and taker fees from 0.05% to 0.60%, depending on your 30-day trading volume. The more you trade, the lower your fees become. This is a significant improvement over the basic Coinbase platform, but it requires a bit more understanding of order books and limit orders, which might be intimidating for absolute beginners. For example, for monthly trading volumes under $10,000, maker fees might be 0.4% and taker fees 0.6%. But if you're trading over $500 million a month, those fees can drop to as low as 0% for makers and 0.05% for takers. Clearly, for high-volume traders, Coinbase Advanced is the way to go. Deposit and withdrawal fees for cryptocurrency are generally just the network fee, which is what it costs to process the transaction on the blockchain itself. Coinbase generally doesn't add its own withdrawal fees for crypto, though some fiat withdrawals, like wire transfers, do have a fee. Next up, let's talk about Gemini. Gemini positions itself as a security-focused exchange, offering robust regulatory compliance and insurance for digital assets. For beginners, Gemini offers a straightforward buy-sell interface, similar to basic Coinbase, but also has a more advanced active trader platform. On the basic Gemini interface, when you buy or sell crypto, you'll typically encounter a convenience fee of 0.5% plus a separate transaction fee, which is a fixed amount based on your trade size. For example, a trade of $10 to $25 might cost $1.49, similar to Coinbase. This dual fee structure can make Gemini's basic platform quite expensive for smaller trades, often leading to higher overall costs than even basic Coinbase, especially for debit card purchases. Debit card deposits on Gemini come with a 3.49% fee, and PayPal has a 2.5% fee. Wire transfers are generally free for deposits, but can have a withdrawal fee depending on the currency. However, just like Coinbase, Gemini truly shines when you switch to their active trader interface. This platform also utilizes the maker-taker fee model, and its fees are generally lower than Coinbase Advanced for similar trading volumes. For active traders, maker fees on Gemini can start at 0.2% and go down to 0%, while taker fees start at 0.4% and can drop to 0.03% for high-volume traders, over $500 million in 30-day volume. For less than $10,000 in monthly volume, you're looking at 0.2% for makers and 0.4% for takers. This makes Gemini Active Trader a very competitive option for those who plan to trade more frequently or with larger amounts. One notable advantage of Gemini is its policy on crypto withdrawals. Gemini offers a certain number of free crypto withdrawals per month, which can be a significant cost saver if you frequently move your assets off the exchange. This is a big differentiator from many other exchanges that charge a network fee for every crypto withdrawal. The exact number of free withdrawals can vary, so it's always good to check their current policy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.